Now from this, we don't need order ID anymore to compute the revenue for each product. We don't need this one anymore. We just need this value, and using this, we should be able to group using product ID as key, and we should be able to get the revenue. Okay. So for that, we just have to extract this information, and on top of it, we can use reduceByKey to aggregate. So the way it will look like is, so I'm actually repeating that previous code. The reason why I'm demonstrating like this is, it is not a good practice to unnecessarily create too many variables when it comes to functional programming languages like Scala. To understand code better, it is better to implement the logic like this. That's why I'm actually going one step at a time and showcasing how the behavior will be after invoking a particular API, but still I'm updating the same variable again and again just to make sure that you understand the relevance of this. Then we have to join. Now I can actually specify map. And as part of the map, what we want to get only this part. So before actually applying the map, let me actually copy this one and let me show you how to access elements from a tuple. So first of all, tuple is nothing but a object with no attribute names. Okay, so here I'm saying val t equal to this one, and you can see it is of type object. Actually it has attributes, but there are no names, there is only position. So the way you can actually read the element in a tuple is by using position. So I can say t dot underscore 1 to get this first element. If I say t dot underscore 2, as this tuple is only having 2 elements, it will actually give simple order ID as t dot underscore 1, and when we say t dot underscore 2, it will actually return this entire thing. There are only 2 elements in the tuple. If I say t dot underscore 3, it will fail. Also, when we say t dot and hit tab, it will only show underscore 1 and underscore 2 because it has only 2 elements. Now, if I want to read this part, it is part of t dot underscore 2. So t dot underscore 2 gave us the nested tuple, and to read this portion, I just have to say t dot underscore 2 dot underscore 1, which will give us the product ID as well as the order item subtotal. Now I just have to apply this logic as part of the map function to extract this information, both product ID as well as order item subtotal, and that is what is happening with this logic. Okay, so I made a mistake here. Let me paste it once again, and let me remove this dot, and then let me say revenue by product ID dot takeoff 10 dot for each println. So it have discarded the order ID and also those ones, and it only gave the information which we are looking for. Now, if you review the syntax once again for reduceByKey, even reduceByKey can be invoked on paired RDD, which means there should be only 2 elements in each record of the RDD, and it has to be in KV pair format. As our data is already in KV format, we can actually apply reduceByKey on top of this, and we should be able to take it from there. So the way it will work is like this. So I'm just copy pasting this one, and then we can actually say revenue by product ID dot takeoff 10 dot for each println, and you can see the data for a given product ID here. So we got the revenue and product ID.